had a few active leaks, and we also had ice dam damage over the winter. In the attic, you could go up and see on the boards, you could see the leaks, and then inside the house too, from the ice dams, we had damage to the ceiling and the drywall. Highly recommend Stellar. You guys did a great job, high quality roof. Could not be more excited about a roof, which I never thought I would be, but everything looks fantastic. I've had a great project. Patrick came out, walked through the damage, went through the attic, basically highlighted where there were problem areas that I even missed, he highlighted, and then went through all of our options. We wanted something that will last, that's high quality. So for us, we weren't looking for the cheapest option. We wanted the best quality roof that would last us, and Patrick told us that would be the metal roof. The day of was great. I think the crew arrived at 6:30 a.m. as soon as the sun came up, but I had a heads up they were gonna be here that early. We walked around the house, talked about the flower beds, if I had any concerns about any plants, and then the guys were great. They put down tarps over the house, protected the flower beds, and immediately went to work. And it was also great. The crew was very friendly, and they had a tool to pick up all of the nails, and they were constantly going around picking up all of the nails, which was fantastic. And the crew was very careful and very kind. We wanted to do the gutters to match the roof, so we went with black, and again, could not be happier. I think it makes the whole house kind of pop, and the gutters are also larger than the gutters we had before. So the gutters before were constantly overflowing in the water whenever we had bad storms. So these gutters are a little bit bigger, and I think they look really nice. It can be very overwhelming to replace your roof, and Stellar just made it a painless process. It was very smooth, and everyone were great communicators, and I couldn't be happier.